In the beginning, God created everything with purpose and order. Genesis 2:7 tells us, God formed man from the dust of the ground and breathed into his nostrils the breath of life, and man became a living being. This verse is the cornerstone of humanity's story, a story that transcends biology, connecting us to eternity and purpose. Science reveals the shared biological threads that connect all living things: DNA, organs, systems. These designs reflect an intelligent creator who used consistent patterns in his work. But humanity stands apart. Why? Because we are not just biology. In Genesis 2:7, God did something extraordinary. He breathed his spirit into us. This breath gave humanity more than life. It gave us purpose, morality, creativity, and an eternal connection to him. Centuries later, Charles Darwin observed the natural world and formulated his theory of evolution, a framework explaining how species adapt over time. Darwin suggested that humans and animals share a common ancestor. But here's the flaw. Darwinism focuses only on biology. It reduces humanity to random chance and survival, ignoring the spiritual, moral, and relational dimensions that define us. Can evolutionary theory explain love, justice, the universal pursuit of meaning? No. These are the hallmarks of a being designed for eternity. Humans are not advanced animals. We are spiritual beings living in physical bodies, endowed with a soul, our mind, emotions, and will. A spirit, the eternal essence breathed into us by God. Unlike animals, we reason beyond survival, create for beauty, and seek truth and purpose. Chimpanzees, Neanderthals, and other intelligent creatures are remarkable examples of God's creation, showcasing biological complexity and intelligence. However, humans, as described in Genesis 2:7, are distinct due to the breath of life, which imparts a spiritual essence, moral agency, and eternal significance that no other creature possesses. This is the defining characteristic of humanness. This is why we ask, why am I here? And what is my destiny? These questions echo the breath of God within us. Genesis places humanity's origins in Eden, near Mesopotamia, a cradle of civilization. From this sacred starting point, humanity spread across the earth, carrying the divine spark within. Science aligns with this narrative, tracing human migration patterns to a shared origin. Yet, it cannot explain the spiritual distinction of humanity, our capacity for worship, moral reasoning, and eternal accountability. Here's the truth. Humanity is more than biology. We are not random accidents of evolution. We are God's masterpiece, created with intention and elevated beyond the material world. Darwinism, while insightful about adaptation, misses the bigger picture. It tells us how life changes but not why it exists. The why is found in Genesis 2:7. God formed us from dust, breathed into us his spirit, and gave us a purpose: to know him, reflect his image, and steward his creation. Our spiritual nature defines us. Unlike animals, we are moral, relational, and eternal beings. We are accountable to God for how we live, love, and steward his creation. This truth is why humanity pursues justice, values relationships, and seeks answers beyond the physical. It's why we long for eternity. So who are we? We are spiritual beings designed by a creator who breathed his life into us. Genesis 2:7 is not just a story, it's our identity. We are not evolved animals. We are humanity, eternal, moral, purposeful, and beloved by God. This is the truth that transcends Darwinism. This is the truth that defines us. Have a great day as you reflect on this truth. From your friends at World Friend HQ.